Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. So if you want to change these straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do that you need to flip your watch around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this button. On this one and on this one. Basically what we need to do is to press on one of these buttons, and then you can pull out the strap. Once you press on them, or rather you should be able to. Let's try again. What if we press on this one? Maybe, yeah, this one comes out, so this one also should come out. But, oh, okay, it did. And here we have our straps, our watch, and the system is quite simple. You basically have two pins on each side of the strap, or rather one pin on each side of the strap, my bad. When you press the button, the pins basically retract. I don't know if you can see them because they're kind of hidden. Here we have the pin, and when you press on this button, that pin retracts inside of the strap. It's barely visible, but it does. And what it retracts is basically releasing the strap from the hole on the watch right here, which allows you to pull out the strap from your watch. Okay, and once you get your new straps and you want to put them on, you simply grab the strap, grab your watch, and you align it like this, press the button and push it in, and it should click in like this, and then release the button and it will hold. Same on this side, press the button, align it, come on. Oh, okay, and now it's holding. And here we have it, our watch is now strapped. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.